EcoKind Pet Treats Premium Gold Yak Chews. All natural Himalayan yak cheese dog chews for small to large dogs. Keeps dogs busy and enjoying, indoors and outdoor use. Perfect to keep your dog busy and enjoying, these chew sticks are healthy, delicious premium organic chews that keeps your dog busy enjoying the sticks. They are made out of totally natural material, hence they are easily digestible. They are best alternative to any other similar pet chews, and a great value. The more you purchase, the more you save. Subscribe and save to get an even better value. $123 treats, 4 to 5 inches rawhide bones for dogs, 100% natural not bones from beef hides. Choose vertical bar free range grass-fed cattle with no hormones, additives or chemicals. High quality, 123 treats rawhide bones come from southern Brazil cows, where the cool climate reduces external biological impact, such as fleas and ticks, providing better quality rawhide. Delicious, dogs not only love the delectable taste, but the texture of the rawhide bone provides a chewing quality that dogs thoroughly enjoy. Pet Magazine Natural Rawhide Bones Chewing Dog Treats, 10-pack. All natural rawhide bone, 123 treats rawhide comes from southern Brazil cows, where the cool climate reduces external biological impact, such as fleas and ticks, providing better quality rawhide with no artificial coloring